Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
What good is that show today? We get to wire up a well pump. As you see, already got your rope tied because you know, got to be nice to the next guy.
Yeah, weren't they nice to me?
Hey, still came up pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I can't complain.
Okay, so we're just gonna go color to color, more or less. Get rid of these old joints, and so we're going to solder these and heat shrink them. Soldering's much better than crimping. Well, yeah. So you got your wires and you V them. Pretty much equal both sides. We're going to go each by each like so. You know, one top, one bottom, and then give her a spin clockwise. Bit of flux. Don't forget the heat shrink. Solder them together. Put the heat shrink over them. Not forgetting the heat shrink. Melt with lighter. And repeat as necessary. And then with your 130C splicing tape, can you read that? Of course you can't, because, yeah. Wrap around nice and tight, like so. Remember to go a couple wraps past your heat shrink. Don't be shy, give it a little stretch. Don't be shy with the tape, tape her up like a son of a bitch. Because she's going down in a hole.
A big, long hole.
Yeah, you're gonna need some protection. So main power comes in. Our neutral goes to line 2. Our hot goes to the white on our pressure switch. Goes down to the pressure switch. When it calls for pressure, it's gonna bridge. White is equal to black. The black then comes back up, goes to line 1, as per our drawings. Green goes to ground, red goes to R, yellow goes to Y, black goes to B. Simple as that. And there she be. Don't forget your rope attached to your pump. And don't forget to tie it on this end. Does you no good if it's down in a hole.
Yeah.
Let's fire it on and see if it works. Whoa. That sounds to me like there's water flowing. By goodness, how about that? How about that? And so, the adventures continue. If you can tell, we sprung a leak from the block heater. So today we gonna change that. Looking closely, look, you can tell either a oh, this one's a flat. Good thing I have my flat. New block heater is a 5/16 or flat, and I'm gonna use a flat. Let's get her out. That explains it. Damn retaining tab broke right clean half in two. Son of a diddly. New one's in. The old one, you really gotta, you know, give her what for with the old ditch driver. You just don't be afraid to frig a sack and rip them apart. You know what I mean? She's no fucking good anymore, so let her go.
So thanks for coming by today, having a little chuckle. Shop's coming to workshop underground laboratory here is coming together. Look, you can actually kind of see the floor, the ground, and that's something. But stick around, there's going to be some cool builds this year. Something to do with, I don't know, what looks like plexi. Anyways, videos every Sunday. Come check it out. Ring the bell, subscribe, share if you want to have a little chuckle with your buddies. Why not? Want to follow me on the Instagram? Sammy_Boyce. Some stuff gets posted there before it gets posted here. I post there more frequently than once a week. So, check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Till next time, eat shit and brap on.